Today we have a 1955 Austin-Healey 100S Tribute. It is absolutely exceptional. It is built to replicate the 100S. I've been on various rallies with original 100Ss. The owners of the 100S are amazed at the build quality and the detail. Come along and let's go for a ride. Okay, so here we go, cold start. Key on, it's been sitting outside for quite some time. Couple of pumps of the throttle. As you can see, as cold as can be. Good oil pressure, cold. Oil temp is nil at the moment. So we're gonna warm it up a little bit for a moment and then we'll get on the road. I can say I purchased this Healey for myself. I ran the Going to the Sun rally in it. I love it. Goes like hell, it does everything right. But I lost out to the family on another rally car and we just can't keep them all. So she's looking for a new home. But I can say it was thoroughly enjoyed for over 1,000 trouble-free miles. Lovely horn. An absolutely great sound. It really is turnkey. It's got a rebuilt gearbox. Straight cut gears in second and third. This car was on BAT, and that's where I first saw it. It was the no sale. Rightfully so, because it wasn't bid anywhere near what its net worth is and what it would cost to build a 100S recreation replica. I bought it from the consignor well after it was at auction. Paid quite a bit more. And since we did do a little bit of servicing, we went through the carburetors, filters, fluids. We checked the brakes, went through everything to make sure it was a worthwhile rally car that would be driven at speed. It's very cool because it is, as on a 100S, the intake manifold, carburation, exhaust manifolds are on the passenger side of the car, I should say right side of the car, as is the exhaust. So you can actually seal and insulate the passenger from some of the heat, but unlike a 100M with side exhaust on the driver's side, left side, it's a lot more pleasurable to drive as far as heat. And on some hot rallies, believe me, it does make a difference. Everything is working, absolutely everything. And what you see is what you get. So it does go extremely well, which you will see. It's really enjoyable on the Twisties. It's got a great burble on the overrun. At night, it's kind of neat when you see a couple of good flames coming out of the exhaust. Great sound, great gearbox. It is a boatload of fun on the Twisties. And it appears like we're going fast, but we're really not. It was just second year. and it's just fun. Did I say I didn't want to get rid of this? And that my kids preferred another car in the collection and a color combination? Because I think they may regret it. It's actually really cool, docile on the street. Overdrive, which obviously around town is not needed, but on some of the long runs on the rallies, especially when it was in New Mexico, it was nice to have some long legs, because it really does go like hell. We're gonna pull in here, let Jason out, and prepare for some cool flybys. And boy, does it sound good on the road. Enormous amount of fun. So we'll take it on our lake road here and get on a little bit. I think we was good enough to let the little Healey speak for itself. She's awesome. Here, let's a little more overdrive. Less overdrive. It tracks extremely well, and it brakes extremely well. So what we have here is a really cool 100S Tribute that has had a boatload of money thrown at it, and that's why I bought it in the first place. And I hope someone else feels the same. It is a great, great, great rally car that is beyond reliable and fast. So, thanks for watching, and hope it goes to a good home.